Hello traders, Lance Ippolito here, and let's go over really a whole mixed bag of things happening in the market. This video may be pretty long, but let's try to wrap it up. First thing is HYG. I know it sounds very boring, HYG. Who wants to look at high yield? But it's really leading the way during the trading day. So here we have high yield, the daily chart. Does it look like it's out the woodwork to the upside? No, not yet at all. If anything, we might have a possible trendline breakout approaching here. I mean, this is really stretching it here around 86 or so. I don't even want to look, about possibilities of that yet. But if you are trading or intraday trading, day trading, short-term trading, something very important to look at least I feel like, is at least high yield throughout the day. It's been a gauge for the S&P 500 really for the past couple weeks. And right here in HYG at 1230, we had a big block here on volume, a massive HYG getting bought here. And if we pull up that into correlation with the S&P 500, I'll just pull the E-mini S&P right up here. If we look here at 1230, what happened at 1230 in the S&P 500? We got from 2716 to 2730 a 14-point rally. So again, HYG starts moving to the upside, S&P 500 starts moving to the upside. Something very basic that anyone can look at and pay attention to throughout the day. The other stars that are standing out here, at least I feel like, are names like Micron, as we spoke about again on the last video, and then other semiconductors like CREE with a huge breakout on volume today. Look at this volume exceeding, wow, what are we at? 5.2 million shares. I think yesterday we traded 1.4 million, something like that. So huge volume here in CREE and ON. There's been some chatter in this name that I posted on Twitter on semiconductor with a new 52-week high, and then CY, these cheap semis, new 52-week high in this name too. And then you have your Intel as well breaking out to the upside. Today is the first day that I've seen call buying and the gold and silver names. Newmont, last I'm speaking, some SEP 39s trading, and some Jan 2020 about 3,800. The 40 strikes are trading, very pricey. Premium options, GDX has seen some flow. That's the gold miner ETF. Same with wheat and precious metals. Seeing some mostly short-term call buying in these names. The other one, Pan American Silver. Technically, they don't look beautiful, but when nobody loves them, showing some love could be something at least to look at here. Barrick Gold, a nice little reversal too, as well. So a couple of things from the NASDAQ, because the NASDAQ is leading today. I do like names like Salesforce as they continue to break new highs and trigger longs after their earnings event, which earnings were good. Amazon, this thing is just continuing to make new highs, a very bullish chart. When I look at something like that, I don't think, oh wow, the markets are going to roll over, or the Qs are going to completely roll over. When I look at names like Netflix, Salesforce, Amazon, Netflix just an overall powerhouse, up nearly $10 today. But on the other point is for the bear case, when I look at emerging markets, when I look at Germany, when I look at Italy, when I look at the euro, Italy actually a nice move today, 2%. These charts still look pretty broken to me. So a little mixed bag of everything here, from the bull side to the bear side, along with some names that look to be standout stars in the market like CRM, Netflix, Amazon, on CREE, your Intel, the semiconductor names as well. We have seen, one last thing, some China internet names in the K-Web, there we go, start to break out, like Bison today, but YY down. could be, could we have China start to turn, European markets start to turn, and the S&Ps and the U.S. markets hit new highs? I think that's something to wait and see. AMAT's another one out of the group, by the way, approaching that 60.89 for a new high. Something I have my eye on too. I think patience is key here. Don't get married to the position. We've had some news come out, intraday. So if you have to scalp, play it smart, trade safe. Until next video, Ippolito here.